Hi guys, Coach R here. Sa sports ang usapan, G tayo dyan. So mainit na topic tong mango tea. Hindi na ako naka-react agad. Maraming tatanong sa akin, ano ba talaga nangyari. Hindi ako naka-react agad because I'm here now in CDO and Bukidnon. Marami tayong ginagawa ditong iba. So yes, I was there. I played in the mango tea. And this video is not about who made the mistake, diba? Kasi alam niyo na naman yung press release ng Alabang Country Club, hindi na dapat natin ulitin yon. Bago na yung mga winners, pinakabalik yung trophy, no? So, let's leave it at that. So, ano ba talaga yung root ng controversy, no? It's not the score, eh. Kasi marami ako nabasa na nagpapadraw sa score. Hindi pwede, eh. Kasi in Mango Tea, it's a team of two and you're paired with another team. So, the responsibility of checking the score or auditing the score is the other team, no? So, hindi pwedeng sabihin ng daya ng gano'n, no? So, kasi chine-check yan, may check and balance yan sa mga teams, no? Iba pa yung sakadi, no? So, I don't think na yun ang issue. And these people are good golfers, no? So, they can really score what they scored, no? The question here, yun nga, it's not their ability to play good golf. Magaling lahat yan. Hindi ka naman siguro sasali sa Mango Tea kung hindi ka masyado magaling, no? But the question here is the handicap index, yung sinubmit na handicap, no? To explain lang, ano ba yung sinasabi na sandbagging, no, in golf, no? Actually, ang nagiging issue kasi, it's the format of the tournament, no? So, the format of the tournament is a modified Stableford with handicap. So, for non-golfers, anong ibig sabihin ba nun? Ang ibig sabihin nun, sa scoring nyo, may kasama ng handicap, no? So, for example, and I'll put my actual score here in this video para makita nyo ilang points na kuha namin and paano ba ginagawa yung scoring sa modified Stableford with handicap. So let's give an example, ano ba yung scoring system dito na modified Stableford with handicap. Assuming you're at handicap 18, that means you get a stroke for every hole. So kung puro par yung score mo, magiging birdie yan. And each birdie is 3 points. Kasi nga, birdie is 3 points, par is 2, bogey is 1, no? Etc. Double bogey, non-counting. So, kung 18 ka and puro par ka, 3 times 18 is 54 points, no? So, mahirap makuha yon. If you're an 18 handicap, it's difficult for you to par every hole because ang rational nga ng handicap is against par. So that means ang gross mo dapat within that limit, no? So kung 18 ka, dapat mga score mo mga 90 to 95 gano'n, no? Yun ang mga dapat score mo dyan kasi 18 handicap ka nga. So if you deviate from that, kung masyadong mababa yung score mo and you get nga all pars, siguro may eagle pa yan, naging questionable because you're performing much better than what you should be. Kaya kasabi nung Alabang Country Club, medyo questionable yung score. I forgot the highly improbable ba yung tawag doon or something na to that effect, no? That means na masyadong malayo versus your handicap, no? Yun ang naging issue kasi, no? Masyadong malayo versus your handicap, no? So, yun ang issue dito talaga, no? So, ano bang pwedeng gawin in the future? I think, para hindi na maulit, you change the format, no? So, usually, sa mga ibang tournament, mga corporate tournaments, they use a System 36. So, System 36 is you're given a handicap for the day based on what you perform, no? So, pwedeng sabihin na you still have your handicap, but yung handicap mo will only be used to determine anong class ka. 1, 2, 3, no? Pero yung actual net score mo will come from the System 36 format, no? Ang issue lang doon, kasi sa Mango Tea, isang tea lang ginagamit, no? Blue tea lang. Even yung ladies, tumitira from the blue tea because nga, may handicap na sa score mo. So, if System 36, you have to move up the teas for the women and probably, I don't know, the senior, di ba? So, may konting adjustment, no? So, I'm not sure kung gusto nyo yun. But that's a fair game, no? Pag ginawa nyo yun. Another is best ball, di ba? So, team of two, best ball. Siguro naman, wala nang question doon because you play yung better ball, no? So, pwede yun. I think yung mga ganun, you can explore those possibilities, no? Yun lang. It's sad that the Mango Tea was tainted with controversy. Kasi ang ganda-ganda nung pagka-organize this year, no? Every year, every day or every night, may cocktails, may networking, may prizes, may raffle, and even the grand raffle, ang daming prizes and everyone was excited. May cash, may kotse. And it's so sad na naging ganito pa, na taint pa with controversy, no? So, I pity the organizers because mahirap naman talaga mag-organize ng ganyang kalaking event. Imagine 1,000 plus golfers yan. Yung wedding nga na 1,000 people, ang hirap-hirap na i-manage. Ito, 1,000, tapos multi-day pa, no? So, very difficult. And actually, I congratulate the organizers for a job well done. And sana hindi nangyari to.